In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag people in your Instagram story. First, open Instagram and either swipe right from your feed or tap the plus icon at the top to start a new story. From here, capture a photo or video or pick one from your gallery if you already have something in mind. Getting the content ready first makes tagging easier because you can place mentions exactly where they'll be most visible. Once your photo or video is on the screen, tap the sticker icon at the top. It looks like a smiling square face. In the sticker tray, choose the @mention sticker. This is designed specifically for tagging, so it's quick and accurate. Start typing the username of the person you want to tag. Instagram will suggest accounts as you type. Just tap the correct one to confirm. Take a moment to double check the spelling, especially if the username includes numbers or underscores, so your tag goes to the right person. After you've added the mention, drag it to where you want it on the screen. You can use two fingers to resize it and make it more subtle or more prominent. You can also apply style options so it matches your story's look. Try placing tags where they're readable and not covering faces or key parts of your photo or video. If you prefer, you can tag using the text tool instead. Tap the AA icon, type the @ symbol followed immediately by the username, and then select the right account from the list that appears. This method works the same way and is handy if you're already typing other text. When you're happy with your tags and layout, tap your story to share with everyone, or choose close friends if you want to keep it more private. The people you tag will receive a notification and can share your story if they want. Instagram allows you to tag up to 20 people per story, which is useful for group events, team shoutouts, or collaborations. If you forgot someone, you can still add mentions after posting. Open your story, tap more, and then tap Add Mentions. This helps you fix mistakes or include anyone you missed without recreating the entire story. And that's all you need to do to tag people in your Instagram stories. Keep your tags clear, use the suggestions to avoid typos, and place them where they're easy to see. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.